Lace is a delicate fabric made of yarn or thread that is characterized by open designs and patterns. Lace fabric was originally made by hand from silk or linen threads, but today lace is made with cotton and synthetic fibers like polyester and rayon. Historians debate its origins, as lace has been discovered in ancient Egyptian burials, and similar fabrics were found in the Middle East prior to the Renaissance period. Royal and noble classes of Europe would wear lace collars to signify their status, as lace was considered a luxury fabric. Men actually wore it first. It's unclear where lace originated, but we know from art that it was found in several countries. It's likely that different types of lace originated in different places. By the early 19th century, major advancements in textile manufacturing automated the lace-making process. It became cheaper and accessible to the masses. You now see lace in garments from haute couture to fast fashion, on tablecloths, bedding, and other applications. Several machine and chemical processes are used for manufacturing lace today, and both of these make an environmental impact. Polyester and rayon lace contribute to plastic and toxic chemical pollution. And while cotton and linen lace are typically more sustainable, the question of whether the lace you're planning to buy is sustainable really depends on if the fibers were treated with chemicals. Lace should be hand washed in cold water with a mild detergent, and sometimes it needs to be dry cleaned. It's delicate and prone to stretching or breaking, so you have to treat it delicately.